How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. On the menu today, as you can see right here, steaming hot, we're going to be making some Chinese cabbage, Chinese leaves, or Napa, whatever you call that. One of my favourite vegetables actually. Keeping this one vegan. Got some garlic, ginger, some other lovely little bits in there. Super easy. Let's go and take a look at what we need to make this fabulous, simple dish. Okay, so there we go. This is Napa Cabbage, but generally known as Chinese cabbage. Really simply what we're going to do today, we're going to just chop it up. You can chop it, shred it, or you can cut it into cubes or whatever, you know, chunky bits. And then we're going to give it a wash, and then we're simply going to fry this off with some garlic, ginger, some onions, a few other bits. Really delicious. I'll get that ready. I'll be back in a moment. So there you go. So chop that up. You've got these lovely kind of nice lettuce type leaves at the top, and then the kind of more crunchy, substantial white bits at the bottom. Let's get to the cooker. Super easy, this one. Okay, so I've got my wok here. I've got a little bit of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. We are going to add a little bit of toasted sesame oil a bit later on as well. It gives it a lovely nutty flavour. So we're getting that hot. Here I've got some ginger, which I've sliced nice and thin. You can do it smaller than that if you want. Chopped garlic, when that goes there. I've got some little bit of fresh red chilli, optional, but I like a little kick in that. Now, I was going to put some onions in this, but I've actually decided against it. What we are going to do though is get our cabbage in. So if you wanted to get some onions in, get them in now and fry them for a couple of minutes, but we're going to go straight in with our cabbage here. And for about 4 minutes or so on this high heat, let's try and fry it around. It will reduce down a little bit. So as you can see, as the heat is going through this, it's reduced down. Now I'm just going to add some bell peppers just for a little bit of colour. Some celery or something like that might be nice in there, or some other vegetables. Maybe a little bit of broccoli if you wanted. And now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Some soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. I'm going to get some black pepper in there. A little bit of salt. Now just let that go for about another 3 minutes on this high heat, stirring constantly. Absolutely fabulous. Okay, off goes the heat now. Gonna hit that with some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Some green onions. A little bit of nutty sesame oil, gives it a lovely flavour. Stir that in, and this is done. Really fantastic. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.